Today is my new tune date ever since I built the engine, trans, and everything. So everything is pretty much broken in now. Last night I adjusted the suspension because I just put Swift springs in it also to help with the squat when I drive. Car look like a hoopty right now, but it is what it is. It'll be wrapped soon. But now it's way too low. Like this side is okay, the other side is kind of bad. The other side is way too crazy. I mean, it looks nice and all, but I can't drive like that. So I'm gonna quickly try to adjust it because my tune is in like 2 hours, I believe, and I have about an hour drive ish. Like it's like 40 something minutes. Car vibrates so much right now. So I just adjusted the coilovers and then I changed off the fluids and everything already, and now I'm about to be off. I'll be a little early, but I want to because I don't have that much gas, so I gotta, like, you know, stop the gas or whatever. But I also can't put too much gas because I need to burn that gas off to put the E inside. About that time, what you guys think it's gonna make? Comment in this description. Let me know what your guesses are. Let's see who gets the closest. I'm gonna pull it now. Switching over to E85 now. See kind of the ethanol content is going up now. So now we're gonna make the power tune. Came back from the tune. I made about 620. That's where I had him stop it at. When I first got in there, I told them I only want 650. Don't really want more than that because it's too much for the streets. And I'm on all season tires, like very wide all season tires, but you know, 600 is pretty good for the streeting it. I didn't really get to step on it yet because when I was coming back home, it was a lot of traffic. So I haven't experienced it yet, but maybe tomorrow or something, I'll take one of my co-workers for a ride, and I'll post that up maybe a separate time. But for now, I gotta go. I'm actually running late. The tune took longer than I thought. My spark plugs needed to be re-gapped to a different size, and my coil packs was faulty or messing up, or just like not a good brand. So I bought some off the tuner. The graph line of like the power, he's smoothing it up after we fixed the gapping and the coil pack issue. But yeah guys, made 620. I don't know who guessed 620. I told you guys, comment in the description earlier. I don't got no prizes for y'all or nothing, but I could do that one day. Just let me know if you guys are interested in those. I actually have ordered some skateboards. I might make a custom skateboard of my old wrap that I'm retiring right now because I'm gonna do something else. If you guys are into that, I'll probably make a short of it. If you guys are into that, I can always do a giveaway on the board or anything. me know in the description. Anything you guys want me to do, just let me know in the description. Now that the car is finally, you know, running proper, you know, hopefully the content will come out more. The car looks like a fucking hoopty right now, but once it's wrapped and everything will be fine. But like, subscribe, share me, tell a friend, help me get to 1,000. Hopefully this year I can get really close to that. I'm not expecting to get to that because 1,000 is a lot, but hopefully I can get pretty close to it. The car's running healthy, everything is good.